Hello everyone, welcome back to Code with Bill. Today we're going to make one of the most classic little games ever, Flappy Bird. I'm sure you've played it before. And maybe, just maybe, you've wanted to build your very own version. Well, today's the day. Bill is going to show you how to create your very own Flappy Bird. Now, I can't promise it'll be the flashiest version out there, but I can promise it's the simplest way to make it happen. Oh, and good news! I've already prepared all the assets you'll need. Just check the link in the video description, click it, and you can start right away. By the way, in the first two videos, we already created the bird's flying motion and the looping background effect. So if you haven't done those parts yet, go back and watch part 1 and part 2 first.
Now let's create the pipes in Flappy Bird. You guessed it, we'll use clones. First, hide the pipe sprite at the start. When the game begins, keep cloning it at random intervals. For each clone, set its starting X position off to the right, say greater than 240. Then, move left by -2 until it exits the stage. Run it. Nice. Pipes appear, but they all look the same, and they never disappear. Let's fix it step by step. First, randomize the clone's costume. The pipe has 4 costumes, so pick one randomly. Next, when X is off screen, delete the clone. Done. If the spacing feels wrong, adjust the wait time between clones. Run it again. Awesome. Now, let's add scoring. Make a variable called score. When the game starts, set it to 0. Each time a pipe passes the bird, increase the score by 1. Try it. Perfect. Finally, let's handle Game Over. If the bird touches a pipe, stop other scripts and broadcast a Game Over message. The pipes, background, and other parts will stop running. Then, show a Game Over sprite. When the green flag is clicked, hide it. When it receives Game Over, show it. Run it. Wow, that works great! Now we have a full Flappy Bird game with flying, background, pipes, scoring, and Game Over. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Your support is Bill's biggest motivation. See you in the next Scratch mini game.